Hi everyone, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about the straight lines, advanced model based on the advanced model questions. So after that we are going to circles and conic section. So I think 18% questions from coordinate geometry in the advanced level. So calculus is I think 35%. So here the first a man. Now we are going to the first model. A man starts from minus 3 comma 4 and reaches the point q0 comma 1 after touching the line 2x plus y equal to 7 at r. Find the r on the line so that it travels along the shortest path. So here the question is very different. So we are all thinking about the man starts from p minus 3 comma 4 and reaches the point q0 comma 1 after touching the line 2x plus y equal to 7 at r. Find r on the line so that it travels along the shortest path. Is it okay? Are you clear? Therefore, so before this question, we have to discuss about shortest about the concept about the shortest distances and the largest distances of the line with respect to the 2 points. Suppose here A and B are the 2 points. We are taking A and B are the 2 points. A and B are the 2 points with respect to the line 3x minus 4y equal to 7. If P is a point on the line, if you are taking the P is a point on the line, then find here given that one of the line, P is a point, here P is a point on the line, okay. Then we find the minimum distance of what is the minimum distance of PA plus PB. Are you clear here? What is the question? Here A and B are the 2 points with A and B are the 2 points with respect to the line ax minus 3, ax minus 4y equal to 7, or AB are the 2 points in the plane of 3x minus 4y equal to 7, and P is a point on the line. What is the minimum distance of PA plus PB? So how to find the minimum distance? It is a very important concept. First we can verify the line, the points either side or on the side, either side or lies on the same side. So suppose here the line is the L 3x minus 4y minus 7 equal to 0. This is the line. Is it okay? 3x minus 4y minus 7 equal to 0. Now we are substitute the first the point L11, that equal to LA. LA is the 2 comma minus 7. Now substituting x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 7. Now this is the 3 to the 6. Is it okay? Now this is the 28 minus 7. Now here we are writing, now this is 28 plus 6 is the 34 minus 7. This is the 34 minus 7. 34 minus 7 is the 27. Is it okay? Now we have to find the L22. The L22 means the here given that L minus 1 comma 3. Now we are taking x equal to minus 1 and y equal to 3. Those are here minus 3, minus 12 and minus 12 and minus 7. Now we are looking here. This is the minus 19 minus 22. Here this is less than 0, this is greater than 0. Now we are looking here, L11 is a positive, L22 is the negative. Therefore, when the points are either side, these are the either side, opposite side or either side. Now here the second one is there. The second one is given that the L is the 2x plus 3y minus 5. First of all, we are taking LZ0. That is the L11. L11 is the L0. 0, 0 minus 5. This is less than 0. L22 is the point minus 2 comma 1. Now we are substituting here minus 4 plus 3 minus 5. Here also we are getting minus 6 less than 0. Therefore both are L11 is less than 0, either L22 less than 0. Therefore both are either less than or greater than. We know that about that. They are lie same side. Therefore these 2 points are same side. These 2 points are same side. Now discuss about what is the minimum distance of PA plus PB of these two cases. So what is the minimum distance? The minimum distance of PA plus PB of these two cases, either the points are either side or on side. So we have to take two cases here. The first one is those are either side. Either side we are taking here. A is the 2 comma minus 7, B is the point minus 1 comma, here same side. We are taking the first the line, this one same side. We are taking the origin is the 1 point, another point is the minus 2 comma 1. Here origin and minus 2 comma 1 are the same side of 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. Now we have to find the minimum distance of PA plus PB. How to find the minimum distance? How to find the minimum distance? First of all, the given point we are taking A and B. Is it okay? Now we have to find the image of A. The image of A is A dash. The image of A is the A dash with respect to the line 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. Therefore, now we have to find the image of this one is, now we have to image we are taking h comma k, h minus 0 by 2 and k minus 0 by 3 equal to minus 2 into ax1 plus by1 plus c, 0, 0 minus 5 by a square plus b square is the 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9. Now this is the 10 by 13. 10 by 13. Is it okay? 10 by 13. Now we are taking h comma k. H comma k equals to, now this is the 20 by 13 and now this is the 30 by 13. Okay, now this is the image is 20 by 13 and 30 by 13. So this is the image of this one. Now we are finding the minimum distance. Here we are taking, draw the line segment. This is the point P. So this is the point P. The minimum distance of PA plus PB. How to take the minimum? Suppose if you are taking some triangle PAB, sum of the two sides PA plus PB must be greater than third side. Therefore, PA plus PB is greater than 2. That means the minimum distance is the minimum is the AB. Suppose PA plus PB is greater than or equal to 3. That means the minimum is the 3. 3 to infinity. What is the minimum here? 3. We can apply the triangle law. Therefore, here also the minimum of PA plus PB is PA plus PB. Now we are looking here. The image of A with respect to the line is the A dash. That means the distance of PA and PB are the equal. The image of A with respect to the line is the image of the A is the A dash with respect to the line. That means PA equal to PA dash. Now we can write this is PA dash plus PB. PA dash plus PB. Therefore, now we are find the PA dash plus PB is the PA dash plus PB is the A dash P. Now this is the minimum distance. Here PA plus PB is the minimum, means we have to apply the, when it is the plus sign it is a minimum, when it is a minus sign it is a maximum. The sum of the two sides is always greater than the third side. The difference of the two sides is must be less than the third side. Therefore, now we are taking the minimum distance is here. We are taking PA plus PB is the PA dash plus PB. That is, we have to take the A dash B is the minimum distance. A dash B is the minimum distance. What you are thinking here? When the point are the same side, when the points are the same side with respect to the line 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0, then the minimum distance of PA plus PB is the A dash of B. How to find this one? We have to find the image one of the point. We have to find the image of the one of the point. Then the image to the distance between the image to the rest of the point, that is called the minimum distance. Suppose if you are taking the image of B dash, that is also AB dash is also minimum distance when the point are the same side. This is the case 1. This is the case 1. Suppose we have to find the point. We have to find the point or ratio. How to find the point here? So suppose if you find the point, then you can write A dash at B, the intersection of the line segment joining the 2 points A dash and B. The line segment joining the points A dash and B, and already is given that another given line segment is 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. That's point of intersection is the P. Find the point on the line. That means how to find this one? We have to take the point of intersection of 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0 and the line segment joining A dash and B, then we are getting the P. How to find the ratio? P divides this point. That means we are taking minus of L11 is to L2 are the first method, and another method is suppose if you are taken the point P, that is x1 minus x is to x minus x2. The P divides the line segment joining P x comma y divides the line segment joining A x1 by 1 and B x2 by 2 is the x1 minus x is to x minus x2. This is to find the minimum distance. The minimum distance. PA plus P is a point on the line with respect to the given 2 points. Given 2 points A2 comma minus 7. A0 0 and minus 2 comma 1. So the question framing is here. Find the minimum distance of PA plus PB such that P lies on the given line and also the points are lies in the plane of 2x plus 3y equal to 5. Now we are going to the another one, case 2. Suppose the points are either side. How to find? So suppose the points are either side. Now we are looking that one. Here 2x minus 4y minus 7 equal to 0. So here we know that A and B. We know that L11 we getting L11 greater than 0. L22 is less than 0. L11 is greater than and L22 less than. Undoubtedly the points lies on either side or opposite side. Therefore then you can write here A is the 2 comma minus 7. A is the 2 comma minus 7 and B is the minus 1 comma 3. How to find the minimum distance? Here looking the minimum distance. The minimum distance PA plus PB. PA plus PB is the AB. Is it okay? PA plus PB. PA plus PB is the AB. When the points are either side of the given line, then the minimum distance of PA plus PB is the AB only. We have to find only the distance A and B. We know that what is the distance of A and B? We know that this is 2 plus 1 is 3, 9. Now this is the minus 7, minus 3, 10. Therefore 100. This is the 109 and the root is the minimum distance. When the points are lies either side of the line, the minimum distance of PA plus PB is also that one. In this case, how to find the P? We are the line segment, a point of intersection of the line segment AB and the given line is the point of intersection. Now we are going to the case 3. How to find the case 3? Here Here we are looking about the case 3. How to case 3? Now the case 3 is here. The minimum distance, the maximum distance of PA minus PB. How to find, sir? The maximum distance of PA PB. Already we know the two cases. Those two cases are here. Inverse of these two cases. Reverse of these two cases. That means we are taking, suppose here, these are the same side. Are you looking here? The line is 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0 is the line. Now we are going to same side of the line. Therefore, these are the same side. Suppose this is the point A 0 0 and another point is the minus 2 comma 1. Suppose if you are taking the P is a point, A and B are the same side. A and B are the same side of the line. How to find the PA minus PB? How to find the PA minus PB? The maximum, that means in a triangle law we know that we are taking PAB. That means PA minus PB must be less than AB. PA modulus of PA minus PB, difference of the two sides is less than the third side. That means less than, suppose here x less than 2, that means minus infinity 2. Here the maximum value is the 2. Therefore, that you can confine here the maximum distance of, undoubtedly it will be between a minus sign, definitely the question will become maximum distance. Therefore, here the maximum point, how to find the maximum point to the A and B with respect to the 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. Also find the ratio and point and distance. So here PA minus PB. How to find the PA minus PB? Therefore, PA minus PB we can write here. This is total PA, this is PB, that is the AB. Simply we can find the distance between the 2 points. Distance between the 2 points. This is enough. AB, distance of AB, we know that this is the x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So now we are going to discuss about the fourth case. Fourth case. What is the fourth case here? Now we are, the given points are either side. Suppose here the either side is there. Suppose we are taking, how to take, sir? Here the points are either side. 2 comma minus 7 and minus 1 comma 3. Minus 1 comma 3. First of all, we have to find either side of the, we are taking here either side. That is the minus 2 comma 7 and minus 1 comma 3. Here this is the P point. This is the minus 1 comma 3. Now we are here, these 2 points are, this is the A, this is the B. Now find the maximum distance of PA minus PB. How to find, sir? This is the P. Now first of all we have to find the image of A with respect to the line. We have to find the image of A with respect to the line. The image of A we are taking here. The image of A with respect to the line is some image of A with respect to the line is some A dash. Image of A with respect to the image of A with respect to the line is the A dash. That is, we are taking h minus x1 by A, k minus y1 by B, minus 2 into ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Suppose we are getting the image in, suppose some 1 comma 2. Suppose, but not it is correct. A dash is the 1 comma 2. But suppose the points are here, the points are either side of the line. We are taking the image of this. The image of the minus 1 comma 3 is the 1 comma 2. Is it okay? Now we have to take the point B is the minus 2 comma 7. Now draw the line segment. We can take here, how to write this one, PA minus PB. We know that PA equal to PA dash. That means A is the image of A dash is the image of A with respect to the line. That means PA equal to PA dash. Therefore, we can write here PA dash minus PB. PA dash minus of PB. Okay, is it okay? A dash is the image of A. A dash is the image of A. That means PA minus PB. PA is equal to PA dash. Therefore, PA dash minus PB or PB minus PA dash. In modulus means either A minus B or B minus A are equal. Therefore, we can write PB minus PB minus PA dash is the A dash B. So this is the distance of image to the rest of the point. Distance of image of the A and the rest of the point is called the maximum distance. Is called the maximum distance. These are the four cases of to find the minimum distance of PA plus PB, either side and on side, and the maximum distance of PA minus PB, either side points or on side points with respect to the lines. Now we are going to the given question. So to find this question, behind four concepts are there. To evaluate, to find this type questions, in this case, four types of concepts are there. So how to find this one? Now we are looking, a man starts from -3, 4 and reaches the point Q0, 1 after touching the line 2x plus y equal to 7 at R. Therefore, now we are taking the line here 2x plus y minus 7 equal to 0 is the given point. Now we have to check either the points either side or on side of the given point. Then we are taking LP, that is the L11, that is the LP. LP is the L minus 3, 4. This is substitute in this -6 plus 4 minus 7. Therefore, that is the -6. Yes, this is the -6 plus 4 minus 7. Undoubtedly it is. Now this is how to get this one. -6 plus 4 is the -2. This is the -9 less than 0. Now we have to find the value of L22. L22 is the LQ. LQ means L0, 1. That is 0 plus 1 minus 7. This is the -6. This is also less than 0. What we are thinking here? The given 2 points are the on side of the same side of the line. Therefore, P and Q are the same side of the line. We are 2x plus y equal to 2x plus y minus 7 equal to 0. These are the P is a point. What is the P is a point here? -3, 4. Yes. Q is a point 0, 1. Now we have to find. Now here looking. After touching the line at R, the P man starts from P and reaches the Q after touching the line at R. So find the R so that it travels along the shortest path. Shortest path, that means minimum path. So how to find? Here we are taking the image of P is the P dash. Image of P is the P dash. Image of P is the P dash with respect to the line. Therefore, now we have to find here the image of P is the P dash, that means H plus 3 by 2. Now, and K minus 4 by 1. Is it okay? H plus 3, we are taking H comma K. H plus 3 by 2, K minus 4 by 1, minus 2 into AX1. This is the -6. Now this is the 4, minus 7 whole by A square plus B square is the 4 plus 1 is the 5. 4 plus 1 is the 5. Now we can write here H plus 3 by 2 and K minus 4 by 1. Here we are getting here, this is the -2 into what is he getting here? -2 into, everybody looking here, this is the -2 minus 6 plus 4 -2, that is the -9 by 5. This is the 18 by 5. 18 by 5. Now the value of H is 36. 18 to the 36 by 5. 36 by 5 minus of 3. Now this is 36 minus 15 by 5. Now we are getting here 36 minus 15. 36 minus 15 is the 21 by 5. This is the x coordinate. 21 by 5. Is it okay? Now another one, 21 by 5. Now the K K is the point 18 by 5 plus 4. K is the 18 plus 20 by 5. This is the 38 by 5. 38 by 5. Now we are getting the R point. How to get the R point is, this is the point of intersection of P dashed Q. The point of intersection of the P dashed of Q and 2x plus y minus 7 equal to 0. So how to find the P dashed of Q? This is the 2 points form. This is the 2 points form. This is the 2 points form, and you can write the point here. Line is given the 2x plus y minus 7. The point of intersection of P dash of Q and the line is our required point. Here the shortest distance is the PQ plus PR. The path means PQ plus PR is the shortest distance. PQ plus PR is the shortest distance. We have to take that one in the PQ. PR means PR plus P. Therefore here the shortest distance is the PR plus RQ. Instead of PR we have to take in what is the shortest distance here? PR plus RQ. Therefore now we can write here PR is the P dash of R. Now the shortest distance is PQ plus, now the shortest distance is RP plus RQ. The RP is the, these are equal. Now we can write RP is the RP dash plus RQ. RP dash plus RQ is the P dash of Q. This is the shortest distance. That is the shortest distance. But in the question, not find the shortest path. You only find the R point. How to find the R point? It is the point of intersection of this one and the line 2x plus y minus 7 equal to 0. Okay. So now we are going to discuss the second one. Here, if the line y equal to root 3x cuts the curve, cubic equation is given that, cuts the curve at A, B, C, then OA, OB, OC. Suppose we are taking O. So now here the given curve is just like this one. Here y equal to root 3x, this one. Here intersect at A and B. This is the C. Now we have to find the OA, OB, OC. Here OA, OB, OC. Now this is y equal to root 3x. M is the root 3. Tan theta equals to tan of 60 degrees. Theta equal to 60 degrees. Now we are find the point on the curve from the 0, 0 at a distance r, making an angle theta with the positive direction of the x-axis. Therefore, that is the point. We know that x1 plus mod r cos theta, y1 plus mod r sin theta. Here x1 is 0, y1 is here, x1 and y1. x1, y1 are the 0, 0. R cos theta, R is the R cos theta is the 1 by 2. This is the R by 2. And y1 is the 0. Sin 60 degrees is the root 3 by 2 R. Now we are getting, this is the point. Now we have to find the point at a distance R from the point 0, 0. As making an angle 60 degrees with the positive direction of the x-axis. Now we are taking the point on the curve. Now we are taking the point on the curve at a distance r from the origin and making an angle 60 degrees. Therefore, now this point is substitute in this. That is y cube is r cube by 8. Y cube is 3 root 3 r cube by 8. Now 3xy. That is 3xy. xy is the r by 2 and root 3 by 2 r. 5x square. 5 into r square by 4. 3y square. 3 3s are 9. 9 r square by 4. Now 4x. 4x is the 4r by 2. Next one 5y is the 5 root to 3 by 2 minus 1 equal to 0. Here we are thinking r cube. The curve is the, here we are getting r cube. It has 3 roots. Those are r1, r2, r3. This is the cubic equation in terms of r, having the roots r1, r2, r3. r1 is the OA, r2 is the OB, r1 is at a distance A. A is a point at a distance r1 from the point O. OB is the r2. OC is the similarly r3. Now we are looking here. Here we know that 1 by 8, 3 root to 3 by 8 into r cube. So and so on. The final one is the minus 1 equal to 0. Having the roots are r1, r2, r3. Product of the roots. We know that the relation between the coefficient and roots in the theory of topics, in the theory of the equation, sorry, the topic theory of equations, we know that the relation between the roots and the coefficients, S3 is the form, S3 is the form minus of A3 by A0. S3 means sum of the product of the root taken 3 at a time. But here only R1, R2, R3 are the roots. That means R1, R2, R3. Minus of A3, minus of minus plus 1 whole by, here we are getting 3 root 3 plus 1 whole by 8. Taking the LCM is the 8. That is the A0. Now we are R1, R2, R3 is the OA into OB into OC. OA into OB into OC is the 8 by 3 root 3 plus 1 into 3 root 3 minus 1, 3 root 3 minus 1. We are getting here 8 into 3 root 3 minus 1 whole by, what is the here? 3 root 3, 26, 27, 9 3 the 27 minus 1 is the 26, 2 4 the 3 13 the, that is 4 by 13 into 3 root 3 minus 1 is the OA into OB into OC. Is it okay? Now we are going to the next one. So now here we are going to the another one. A line through the minus 5 minus 4 meets the line. Here given that 3 lines at the points B, C, D respectively. Find the equation of the line if 15 by AB whole square plus 10 by AC whole square equal to 6 by AD whole square. Now we are looking, suppose here this is the line through the point some minus 5 comma 4. This is the line minus 5 comma 4, making an angle theta. Now first intersect the first line at A, second line at B, third line at C. So here first A, second line at B, third line at C. Now here the point first, the point A is minus 3 comma A line through the point minus 3 comma 4 meets the line here given that the point A here, therefore this is the a line through the point A minus 3 comma 4 meets the BCD. Here this is the B, this is the C, this is the D. A line through the point A minus 5 comma minus 4 meets the lines at BCD, and also find the equation of this line. Intersect at BCD. Therefore, how to find this one? We know that the parametric form is the, we have to know that the parametric form is x1 plus mod r cos theta, y1 plus mod r sin theta. Therefore, we are taking the distances, suppose r is a AB. Now we can write the point B is the x1 that is minus 5 r cos theta. Now the y1 is the minus 4 plus r sin theta. Now the point B substitute in the first line. B is lies on the first line. That is minus 5 plus r cos theta 3 into minus 4 plus r sin theta plus 2 equal to 0. Now we are looking here minus 5 minus 12 plus 2 r into cos theta plus 3 into sin theta 3 sin theta equal to 0. Now we are getting here. Now this is how to this one. Here this is the, we can check here. Now this is the minus of 17. Minus of 17. So therefore this is the minus 15 sending other side plus 15. R into cos theta plus 3 sin theta is the 15. So simple observation. Here 15 is there. Now R is nothing but AB. R is nothing but AB. Therefore 3 cos theta plus 3 sin theta. Cos theta here. X is cos theta plus 3 sin theta. We are getting 15 by R is nothing but AB. R is nothing but AB. 15 by AB. So similarly we can find R this is the cos theta plus 3 sin theta. Similarly we can find 2 cos theta. Similarly we can find 2 cos theta plus sin theta plus 5 sin theta is the 10 by AC. 10 by AC. How to find, sir? We are taking angle theta from the point. If the line makes an angle theta with the positive direction of the x-axis, now C is a point at a distance r from the point A. That means we are taking in this case AC is the r. AC is the r. Therefore, and another one is x cos theta. Cos theta minus sin theta is the 6 by AD. 6 by AD. Therefore, what is the given condition here? The 15 by AB whole square, 10 by AC whole square, 6 by AD whole square. Now we can write here. Now here 15 by AB, that is 15 by AB. 15 by AB is the cos theta plus 3 sin theta whole square. Okay, 15 by AB whole square is the cos theta plus 3 sin theta whole square. 10 by AC. 10 by AC is the 2 sin theta, 2 cos theta, 2 cos theta plus sin theta whole square, that equals to 6 by AD. 6 by AD is the cos theta minus sin theta whole square. Now we are looking here. 4 cos square theta plus cos square theta is the 5 cos square theta. 9 sin square theta, that is the 10 sin square theta. 3 2 ja 6. Here 2 2 ja 4. This is the 10. 10 cos sin theta into cos theta. Here cos square theta plus sin square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta. Therefore, now we can write this is 4 cos square theta. Now this is 12 sin theta cos theta. Here 9 sin square theta. Sin 10 minus 1 is the 9 of sin square theta. Now this can be written as 2 cos theta plus 3 sin theta whole square equal to 0. A square is this one, B square is this one, 2AB. 2 3 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12. Now we are going to the value of cos theta plus sin theta. Therefore, this is 2 cos theta plus 3 sin theta equal to 0. Now 3 sin theta equal to minus 2 cos theta. Therefore, tan theta equals to minus of 2 by 3. tan theta is the minus of 2 by 3. Into cos is the by cos. Sin by cos is the tan. Now tan is the minus 2 by 3. When you are getting the tan theta, this is m equal to minus 2 by 3. M is the minus 2 by 3 and point is there. Now we can find the equation of the line is y plus 4 minus 2 by 3 into x plus 5. Slope point form. When this complete process is to find the value of the slope of the line. That means what is the given condition is given that 10 by AB whole square, 15 by AC whole square equal to 16 by AD whole square. That's why we are taking this method. Therefore, now we can take here 3y plus 12. Now this is minus 2x minus 10. These are sending to the other side. 2x plus 3y. 2x plus 3y minus 22 equal to 0. 2x plus 3y minus 22 equal to 0 is the required solution. Okay, is it clear? This is the one of the very important model already given in the previous IIT question. Okay. Now we are going to the next one. The equation of the line is passes through the point 2 comma 3 and making an intercept of length 2. Making an intercept of length 2. Then the 2 units between the lines y plus 2x equal to 3 and y plus 2x equal to 5. Here these two are parallel lines. All clear. Here these two are parallel. Now the distance between them is the modulus of C1 minus C2 by under root a square plus b square. That is the 5 minus 3 2. By root of a square plus b square is the 4 plus 1. Now this is the 2 by root 5. Here these two are the parallel lines. Now these between them, the distance between them is the 2 by root 5. Now an equation of the line passes through the point 2 comma 3. The intersect between the lines is the 2. Intersect between the lines, the making an intercept of length 2 units. This is the 2 units. Therefore, what about this one? When it is the 2 units, now this is the 4 minus 4 by 5. Now this is the 20 minus 4 is the 16 by 5. Now this is the 4 by root 5. Suppose if you are taking the theta, either this one or that one, we are taking the theta, tan theta equals to, everybody looking here, tan theta equals to opposite side is 2 by root 5, adjacent side is 4 by root 5. Now this is the 1 by 2 is the tan theta. Here tan theta is the, here we are taking the slope of this line. The slope is the m equal to here. The slope is the, we can take the slope, this is sending other side, minus 2. Now this is the slope is the minus of 2. Now we have to take slope is the m here. Now the slope is here. The slope of the line is minus of a by b is the minus 2. Now slope of this line is we are taking m. This is the m1. Therefore angle between them, tan theta we are getting tan theta equal to m1 minus m2. m1 minus m2 is the m plus 2. m1 minus m2. m plus 2 by 1 minus 2m, where the tan theta is given by 2. Therefore tan theta is, we find that 1 by 2. Now we are getting here, now this is, how to get this one? A 1 minus 2m whole square equal to 4 into m plus 2 whole square. This is the a square b square minus 4ab. This is 4 into m square plus 4m plus 4. How to get this one here? Now this is 4m square plus 16m. 4m square plus 16m plus 16 equals to 4m square minus 4m plus 1 equal plus 1. Now these two are cancelled. Now we are getting this is 20m. 20m equals to minus 15. M equal to minus 15 by 20. Minus 3 by 4 is the one of the value. Other value is the undefined. So now we are taking the line is passing through the 2, 3. That means one of the line m equal to infinity. Undoubtedly x coordinate is the one of the line. X coordinate means x equal to 2. How to get this one? Y minus y1. Infinity is the 1 by 0. X minus 2. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x2. That is x minus 2. X equal to 2 is the one line. Another line is the y minus 3. Y minus 3. So if we are getting in modulus, if you are getting two values of m, if you are getting the two values of m, then we are taking the slope point form. If you are getting the only one slope, then other slope is undefined. That means it is represents the vertical line. Here the vertical line is x equal to 2. Therefore x minus 2 equal to 0. That means in that case the slope is undefined. Another one is we are taking m equal to minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4 into x minus x1. X minus x1. Therefore this is y minus y1, y minus 3, m into x minus x1. Therefore now this is the 4y minus 12 minus 3x plus 6. 4 into y, 4y minus 12 minus 3x plus 6. That is the 3x plus 4y minus of 18 equal to 0. How to find this one? First of all, we have to find the distance between the parallel lines. The intercept between the two lines is given that 2 units. After that, we have to find this one. We are taking the tan theta is the angle between these two lines. The slope of this line is minus 2. Now we are getting the find the slope of this line. Therefore tan theta is the m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. m1 minus m2 minus of minus plus 2 1 by 1 minus m2. Now we are taking this one. Therefore after squaring on both sides 1 minus 2m whole square equal to 4 into m plus 2 whole square. In that case we have to get only the one value of m. Other values must be undefined. Therefore we are taking m is infinity, x equal to x1. X equal to x1 is the one of the line. Other line we are taking minus of 3 by 4 is the slope passing through the point 2, 3. This is today. Okay, this is today. Let us continue tomorrow class. All of you complete the previous IIT questions in the type and multiple choice questions and comprehension. Okay, right.